Mahmutovic of Bosnia-Herzegovina and in Silver Spring, Maryland. He was active in his host community and also served more than 100 hours of community service. He participated in International Education Week in November, the Civic Education Workshop, and Better Understanding for a Better World virtual conference. He's passionate about sports, and he was a part of the swimming team and was named captain of the tennis team at his high school. He loves traveling and is interested in public diplomacy and believes that young people, when informed and empowered, can indeed change the world. Amir.
Not better, not worse, just different. Is the phrase I learned at the first YES orientation, and it stuck with me throughout my YES experience. The YES program gave me the opportunity to interact with people from so many different countries and cultures and the different backgrounds, beliefs, and religions. Being able to be an ambassador of my homeland in my host community, and probably the first person from Bosnia and Herzegovina that most people ever met, was an amazing experience that only a few 17-year-olds can boast of. The exchange experience gave me a chance to get to know many other exchange students and make lifelong connections and friends from all over the world. My name is Amer Mahmutovic. I'm from Bosnia and Herzegovina, and I was hosted by AFS USA in Silver Spring, Maryland. Moving away from home, family, and friends as a 17-year-old kid, and going to another part of the world to live with someone who I had never met before was something that most of my friends told me they would be scared to do. I was maybe crazy to them, but I will never regret my decision to take the opportunity that was given to me by the YES program and to come on my exchange year in the United States. 10 months passed. My exchange year is gone, but for the rest of my life, I will have one more place that I can call home. From the first day of my exchange year, my American family made me feel like home and like I was part of their family. Their support throughout the year was one of the most important things I had during my YES experience. The memories that will always be deeply etched in my memory are the family celebrations of Thanksgiving and Christmas, and the family trips to New York City and Niagara Falls. It was always a dream to see if the lockers in the hallways, school mascots, and cheering for the school sports team were real. And the YES program allowed me to live this dream and to be a part of an American high school. I'm sure you were all surprised when you learned that we need to change the classrooms every period. How many of you, like me, got lost while trying to find a new class? But the teachers and students in my whole school were always helpful, and I adapted to the new school very quickly. Watching American football games, going to homecoming, pep rallies, and being part of the school sports team and clubs were a big part of my YES experience. One of my favorite memories from this year was a civic education workshop, where I was able to see how enjoyable it is to be in the same room with people from more than 40 countries. During this workshop, I became aware of what the YES program is capable of. To have a mini UN, as we call it, with the people from all over the world who are ready to start making a positive impact in their countries and worldwide is something that is possible with this program. My key takeaway was that our journey is not done when we left our homelands, but it is only where it starts. We all can make a beneficial effect for our mini UN by joining the YES alumni community and taking initiative to address the issues our countries are facing. All these experiences helped me to understand the purpose of the phrase, not better, not worse, just different. And my YES experience helped me to understand that the beauty of our world lies in the diversity of its people. I'm thankful to the YES program, US State Department, my placement organization, AFS USA, and American Councils for allowing me to have an amazing exchange experience and being part of the best and most diverse community in the world. Thank you.